And one day I will awake from the dream as I have awakened from it. It's an entirely different body then in which I am clothed. Face, yes, hands, voice, but not the body. And that cannot be described. To tell you that you have a body of light, a body that is altogether alive, a body that you can't describe, that is all power, and yet its form, I can't describe it. I can only tell you of my experience in it and what it does when you wear it. It's all love, and it's all light, and yet you will recognize it and know me to be your friend, and yet I am wearing then the garment of the risen Lord. And I will not for 1 second take back one word that I've told you, and no one of the world, or all the world, could in any way force you to take it back, because I'm telling you what I know from experience. It is the truth. And our Bible is the greatest book in the world, but it is not secular history. It's divine history. And one day you will experience it. And when you do, you are at the very end of the journey. And then you're not restored to life, as all are who are not yet born from above. You will simply take off the garment for the last time, and you are one with the risen Lord. And you are the risen Lord.